Greetings of the day who are watching this video. I am AJAI and I am here to take a presentation on the topic digital transformation in manufacturing. So let's get started. Digital transformation is nothing but implementing new digital technologies to improve all the aspects of the manufacturing process. It is basically a wholesale approach and a piece by piece implementation. It, it includes key factors of software applications and digitizations, which aid them to aid manufacturers to transform their companies digitally in a well manner. So, what does it mean for digital transformation? It actually puts technology at the core of the manufacturing business, and it helps manufacturers to remain competitive and to reduce operating expenses and improve overall efficiency and achieve the future goals of the manufacturing company. The impact that digital transformation that creates in the manufacturing company is that it provides digital solutions that improves safety and reduces the workplace injuries and accidents that occurs usually in the manufacturing industries. It also improves output quality and it shows progressive improvement in the process efficiency and it impacting the employability productivity and it gives a strong bottom line that allows us to continue to innovate and drive sustainability in market and while increasing the value of the company and shareholders. This is how a basic digital transformed manufacturing company would look like. That includes augmented reality, IoT sensors, and cobots, unmanned trucks, and which are aided by blockchain of enterprise resource planning and supply chain management. Digital technologies are nothing but digitalized technologies that helps the manufacturing industry to show digital transformation. Some of them are listed here, and let's see all of them one by one. At first, artificial intelligence. Basically, AI-powered digital transformation is way more smarter, streamlined than other transformations. It is more efficient by automating various tedious process for workers, and it empowers manufacturers to produce trends that improve quality control and making the products, production of the products faster and it also reduces waste. Many of the manufacturing companies around the world are already using these technologies in different ways. Big data analytics. Big data is nothing but a growing volume, a velocity variety of data, a company that can generate and collect in the whole period of time until they're working. And the important point is that it can measure performance and improve the overall efficiency of the company. It identifies the trends in manufacturers' business and aids them to take action on them. Conditioning monitoring sensors helps the manufacturers to measure and monitor the industrial process through fieldwork and manufacturing plants, but there is need to collect data. Some of the sensors include gas sensors, temperature sensors, pressure sensors, etc. Predictive maintenance is a methodology that can help manufacturers to monitor equipment and machinery for the signs of tear and wear. It can help predict the manufacturers when parts need to be replaced or if something needs to be done when a machinery or a truck, something like that breaks down. It is similar to preventive maintenance, but it provides insight and reduces downtime of the company, and it increases the operational efficiency. It is basically used by automotive, oil, gas, building constructions, maintenance, and pharmaceuticals, and so on. The next is augmented and virtual reality. There is a small difference between it, although they are kind of misconceived as same. Augmented reality is just a computer generated information that is enhanced, but virtual reality is completely immersed in a digital environment that can consume more time. Both realities are helpful in manufacturing businesses, and they're already in use by many companies around the world. Smart manufacturing can be defined as the usage of digital technology and automation to communicate with other devices to gather data. It can be applied to production management, quality control, and supply chain management, as earlier seen in the picture. And the main aim of the smart manufacturing concept is to increase the efficiency and productivity of the company. The key benefits are improved quality control and scheduling, better inventory planning, faster problem resolution, and reduced overall cost to the company. 3D printing is one of the most transformative manufacturing technologies that can process and create objects from a digital data. It uses layers of material to produce an entire object or the tool that they used to create the object. Cloud-based ERP and other software or cloud are the means of storing data that can provide tools for managing business operations. And it can store the company's data in the cloud, and we can access it anywhere, reducing the paperwork and reducing also the time consumption of the tedious processes. The next is the benefits of digital transformation. There are several benefits. Let's see them one by one. The reduced cost, a notable increase in earnings compared to the industry average, which can result in the cost reduction and also increase in the yield of the company. The immediate advantages of the reduced cost are it can be easily recognizable, and the quality of the company of the product productivity, products and productivity is improved. It is important that we have to move toward a digital approach, and it creates channels for data to be visible in a limitless manner by making data both visible and accessible in real time. It also reduces redundant work and increases the data accuracy. Having the right tools to increase productivity is very important in improving the efficiency. Digital transformation demonstrates how manufacturers takes fundamental roles in conventional plant and maximizing the performance using modern technology. A large portion of processes still need some manual processing, although we are going for digitally. For example, we have to work on the prioritization and accomplish the essential tasks by their priority, and we can automate them so that it paves way for the specialized software to simplify the maintenance procedures. The best companies strive to maintain a competitive advantage against other players will follow operational predictability and and is and the same pattern is evident in the survey responses showing that manufacturers' awareness about their competitors that are investing in the digital transformation. A manufacturing industry has to be flexible greatly so that it can survive in a competitive space. The products that are typically available as services that can adapt as company shift priorities, and it enables the companies to expand in size. Then the challenges that are faced by the manufacturing industries that opt to use digital transformation. A clear framework actually sets the projectile of the project in motion. Without a clear path, any initiative in the manufacturing process is at a great risk. As with most projects, digital transformation usually comes with an initial investment. Funding becomes a balance between finding cost-effective solutions and quantifying savings in the long run, which results in the lack of funds. The fear of recurring failure can demotivate a team to carry on, and so that we have to learn from our previous attempts and reduce failure. Manufacturers are prone to hang on to legacy systems. So the process should cover everything from adjusting to a new workplace to managing data transfers and delegating tasks. So we have to be in accordance with the legal team in order to improve our transformation digitally. Digital transformation allows more automation and for data collection using including sensitive information. So we have to be more secure in cyberspace because cyber threats are then potentially more dangerous compared to non-digital processes. Digital transformation is an extensive process that requires resources and it needs executive support. Without highlighting the practical benefits of these intricate systems, there is a risk of misalignment with executive leadership. So there has to be support when that is needed. Specific work department can tend to work in isolation, therefore, we can prevent collaboration. These separate units can pose a challenge because digital transformation looks at a higher company-wide level and wants to integrate all of the data into a single platform of the manufacturing company. As of now, the digital transformation as a current trend because of 24%, only 24% of the manufacturing company around the world have digital transformation strategy. And COVID-19 forced 18% of the manufacturing companies to speed up their production and productivity, and 35% of the manufacturing industries to slow down their progress, and remaining 47% remain unaffected during the COVID time. 30% of the manufacturers plan to invest in 2000 in digital transformation from 2022. The reduced cost and improved data visibility are the most common benefits when it comes to digital transformation. And the most common challenge is the lack of a clear path. So we have to set a clear path in order to achieve full effect of digital transformation. Almost 50% of the manufacturers go to consultants to aid them to navigate to digital transformation, and still 34% of them are saying that they will be needing 2 years to achieve some level of success that are set for their companies. Most of the manufacturers measure the positive effects of the digital transformation in terms of ROI and the reduced labor cost. And these are all about the digital transformation. And I would like to end this presentation with a quote: "He who hesitates is lost." Thank you for listening.